Obio for people. Hi guys, sorry, I welcome you back to Enjoy TV today. As you can see, this video today is gonna show you how OBO was exposed. I mean, everything he's been doing in the music industry today was exposed. I can't believe oh my god, I just can't stop laughing. If you're a fan of OBO, you're actually gonna love this video because it's gonna make you love OBO the more. You're gonna laugh, you're gonna have fun with it. But if you're a hater, you're gonna hate him more and more. So enjoy this video and make sure you subscribe to our channel.
David, what are you doing?
Okay guys, as we all know today, Christians around the world are celebrating Christ the King, and in this video we are going to show you how Christians in Nigeria celebrated Christ the King today. As you can see in the video, there is a lot of crowd and everyone is really looking excited. In this video guys, you're also gonna see the heavy explosion that got everyone really shocked. Make sure you watch to the end of this video and subscribe to our channel. Click on the notification button to make sure you get notified whenever we post our new videos. And then if you have any comments, be free to drop your comments in the comment section. Share and like our videos. Thank you. So you can see them dancing to the songs, different songs, and there is the bike man. You can see the bike man carrying the woman gently across. That was a very funny one. And there you can see the security man trying to make sure everything is in place and the cars are passed correctly. Okay guys, now I'm gonna let you enjoy the video and make sure you watch to the end of this video because there is an explosion that is gonna blow your mind. I promise it's really gonna blow your mind. I almost fainted, but it was really fun. So make sure you don't miss it and make sure you subscribe to our channel and click on the notification button to get our future videos. Thank you.